your boy LSR254 me, and I'm out here. Mac hike. What we here for? What are we here for? I don't know. It ain't for me. Let's get into it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. In my seven. I'm dipping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so we just got back from she tests. Oh, well, I guess let me tell you why we're here. Wife wanted a new car. She been talking a new vehicle. She been talking about it for a minute. So me and we both took time off from work. We out here trying to make it happen on her birthday. So she got a car in mind, but I'm finna look around a lot and see what I can see. Not for me though. Well, I guess it will be for me, because we already know what we came here for her for, but I'm just trying to see something, so let's get it. Alright, so love this blue man. Love this blue man Jeep. I am not, or I do not see the big, I don't know. Maybe it's because I ain't no off-road type person. I really don't see the big hype behind Jeep, but a lot of people don't see the big hype behind LS shit, so we'll agree to disagree. These little Renegades, these probably by the ugliest little fucking Jeeps I've never seen in my life. 300s, y'all already know how I'm coming behind them. I love the 300, man. I love my 300, boy. Put the rims on there, everything. Ooh, beautiful car. Didn't only have like a year and a half. Didn't have no issues out of it. However, I was putting transmissions in the back of it, so that's why we had to upgrade and go and get a truck. So let me see here. Yeah, this 300S. I got that big boy V8 in there. Let me see if it got that big boy V8 in there. Nope. V6. Don't get me wrong now. That V6 will move, man. That V6 will fucking move. So this one got V6 Challenger. I don't know why they be doing that though. Like, just stop making V6 Chargers and Challengers, man. Or especially Challengers. That's a Charger GT blacktop. It's V6, but that bit look like it looks strong. It looks strong. Anyway, there you go. Charger RT. Starts at 40, stickers 44. Very nice, very nice. Anyway, man, we're gonna head back inside. Like to do is pull back up. So I'm here to get a car, ma'am. Is there something you can help me with?
No.
But I got halfway decent credit. It's my wife's birthday today. Can I get a car because of that? Huh?
No.
All right, y'all, I gotta cut it off. It's your boy LSRI244, man. You know how we do, man. We get them all the showroom flow, my boy. I'm recording footage that I can then go back and I can put in anything because this is LSRI244 and we just bought something off the showroom flow. She don't want to be in this video, but we off the showroom flow with that thing. I gotta move that out the way so they can get this one out. You sure you don't want to say anything to YouTube, Lane?
No.
Even on your birthday?
Y'all can send me cash app.
Tell them what your cash app is.
I don't know what it is. I'll put the cash app in the comment. I'll put the cash app in the description box. Send me a cash app so I can buy some gas.
Yeah, man.
Got my damn car.
I'll just show. Nah, bro, it's too late for that. I'll just showroom flow, my boy. Happy birthday, love.
Thanks so much.
Well, I got it back in the camera. He can see you. And then he's gonna back up again towards me. Back at her ass up. I don't back shit up. I slang that Oscar Mayer. Yep.
Is that the floor sounding?
Yeah, the tires on the floor.
Thanks.
That's right, baby. Now you can see in the light. So she going from the dark blue looking thing to that all black thing right now. Well, not all black, but black with chrome. It's mostly black though, mostly black. So glad we was able to make this happen for baby birthday. Like I said, off the showroom flow. Video coming soon of everything. They finna go gas it up, get it cleaned up. We Gucci, baby. Yeah, man. So it's all said and done. That's what I'm finna do now. Okay.
Registration off the window.
Okay. Awesome. Do y'all have like a bag or something? Yeah, just so I can kind of. Okay, I appreciate it. Cause so yeah, when I woke up this morning, it was on my mind, you know what I'm saying? She get to talking about a car or a vehicle or something, you know, I'm all on dick. So I was, money. I was all on dick. So as far as, you know what I'm saying, just making sure that she got what she been wanting, you know what I'm saying, happy spouse, happy house. I'm talking about, I get all my toys, so you know why she can't get her toys. So and I feel like we just met the charger, and now the charger's gone. So it is what it is. Like I said, she happy, we good. That's all that matters. I'm just trying to put all this stuff together so we can. I'm gonna just throw it in the bag. You bring that bag out of here, you throw it in the bag, bing bong. Throw it in the bag, bing bong. Yeah, so I told him give me a bag, and I'm gonna just throw everything in there. All right, y'all, well, let me get all this situated. cut y'all back on. All right, guys, we're here after leaving the dealership. Well, anyway, because I'm a YouTuber. That's what I do. You know what I'm saying? Here with the fam. I got my sister here. I got my niece.
Hey, look up. Say cheese, Mona.
Over here.
Hey,
Look.
you're making us look bad.
Look.
Hey, please.
Look. Look.
And then you look a mess. You look a mess.
You don't like the way you look. Why you made that face? We got Jenny over here. Got my nephew, Kamandre and Ben. And then we got the birthday girl who does not want to be on
Today
camera.
is her birthday, y'all. We have been counting down since January 1st, 2022. And it is officially her birthday today. April.
Yay. The big countdown. So we about to get something to eat.
Today is birthday. They gave me like a monthly birthday.
It is birthday.
Bro, you just got a whole truck. What you mean it's not birthday like it's birthday?
It's definitely a birthday.
For real. Anyway, we're gonna get ready to eat. We at BJ's Brew House. About to
Tell her
get
to give you your